Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about fertilizers. Let's start. So what are the fertilizers? A chemical substance added to soil to increase its fertility. First fertilizer plant was set up in Tamil Nadu in 1906. Rice and wheat are major crops which are consuming 37 and 24% of total fertilizers respectively. Now let us look at some data. The consumption of fertilizer is around 658 lakh tons. The production is around 500 lakh tons. The import is around 195 lakh tons. Let's look at consumption of fertilizers per state. It is divided into two categories. First is the amount of fertilizer used per hectare and the total consumption in a state. So, Telangana leads the tally with consuming 243 kilograms per hectare, whereas Uttar Pradesh is the major consumer state which is consuming around 95 lakh tons of fertilizers per year. Now, in this particular side, we are going to understand the type of fertilizers. The first is granule fertilizer and the second is liquid fertilizers. So what are the granule fertilizers? These are the fertilizers which comes in the granule form. They are further divided into three categories. First is straight fertilizers. The straight fertilizers are those fertilizers which provides only one primary nutrient. They will provide either N, P or K. The examples are urea, SSP or potassium chloride. Now, complex fertilizers are those fertilizers which are providing two or three primary nutrients to the plant. The examples are diammonium phosphate, nitrophosphate, etc. Then comes mixed fertilizers. They are nothing but the mixture of two straight fertilizers. What are the liquid fertilizers? Liquid fertilizers are inorganic substance produced industrially and introduced into soil in liquid state. They can be applied in the spray form or they can be given through drip irrigation. So we are going to look at most consumed fertilizers in India. So urea is leading and it is consumed around 313 lakh tons per year, followed by DAP. DAP is also consumed around 90 lakh tons per year, and other complex fertilizers are also consumed totally around 19 lakh tons. When we talk about other important fertilizers such as SSP and MOP, they are also consumed around 30 lakh tons. Now, let us look at different companies operating in Indian fertilizer sector. So first, there are public sector companies. They are nothing but central or state government companies such as Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemical Limited, National Fertilizers Limited, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited. Then there are private sector companies held under private ownership. The examples are Chambal Fertilizers and Chemical Limited, Coromandel International Limited, Nagarjuna Fertilizers and Chemical Limited, etc. And then there are cooperative companies such as IFFCO, Indian Farmer Fertilizers and Cooperative Limited, and Krishi Bharati Cooperative Limited, working in the Indian fertilizer sector. Now, with the help of this chart, which I have taken from moneycontrol.com, we are going to understand the size of companies by its market cap. So, Coromandel International Limited is one of the leading company, followed by Chambal Fertilizers, GSFC, Rashtriya Chemicals, Deepak Fertilizers, and many more. So you can pause the video and look at the figures. Now we are going to look at few companies individually. Starting with Coromandel International Limited. It is headquartered in Hyderabad. The net sale of the Coromandel International Limited is 13,117 crore rupees in the year of 2019. The market capitalization is around 21,978 crores. Our second company is Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation Limited. It was set up in 1979 as an ammonium manufacturer. The fertilizer is marketed under the brand name of Mahadan since 1990. It is headquartered in Pune. It has 4 plants located in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana. The net sales recorded in 2019 were 1707 crore and the market capitalization was around 1535 crores. The third company is Chambal Fertilizers and Chemical Limited. It got its name in 1989. It was first known as Aravali Fertilizers Limited and then it was renamed to Chambal Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited. It has 3 high-tech nitrogen fertilizer plants in Kota district of Rajasthan. It is sold under Uttam brand name. The net sale of the company is around 12,205 crores and the market capitalization of the company is around 6,888 crores. Now we have Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemical Limited. It was established in 1962 and headquartered in Vadodara, Gujarat. The company sells its fertilizers under the brand name of Sardar. The net sale of the company is around 7,620 crores and the market capitalization of the company is around 2,640 crore rupees. Lastly, we are going to look at IFFCO. It stands for Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited and is India's biggest cooperative society which is wholly owned by Indian cooperatives. It was founded in 1967 with 57 cooperatives. Today it is amalgamation of 36,000 Indian cooperatives and entered into diversified business with market share of 19% in urea and 29% market share in complex fertilizer. IFFCO is India's largest fertilizer manufacturer. The turnover of the company in 2020 was 29,412 crores and the total production was 81 lakh metric tons. If you have any questions regarding the video or fertilizers, please type it in the comment box. I'll individually reply them.